Hey everyone, you're watching Flutter with Alan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what are default parameters in Dart. In this video, we just go through what are class and objects in Dart. So initially, I like to define void main function at here. Outside of the void main function, I like to also define class, and I'll be just give a class name as mathematics. Okay. Today our core topic is class and functions. That's well because I am defining class at here. Then inside of the class, what was the actual operations will be performed? I just here to implement a mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So by using the function instead of the function, I will be defining these are the operations. So I just give a data type as int. I'll be giving the values as integer type of values. That's well because I am using int data type here. And I'll be give a function name as addition. Open the brackets. Instead of the brackets, what was the actual elements will be stored into our variable names. That are the variable name I will be defining it here. So these are the variable names are integer type of values. So I will be defining int data type at here. Then n1 comma int n2. These are the both two values I will be using by adding. Okay. To store, these are the two variables. And open the brackets. Instead of the bracket, we have to return our function by using the return keyword. Why we use the return keyword? It will return our function caller. That's it. This is it. Then we have to add these are the two numbers by using addition, isn't it? So I'll be just define n1 plus n2 at here. Put a semicolon. Then these are the lines I'll be copy and I'll paste. Then the another operation is subtraction. Just give subtraction and I'll be change this operator to subtraction. Okay. Then I'll be again copy this paste multiplication. Okay. Just change this operator to star. Okay, multiplication. Then I'll be also I like to define one more thing is division. So I just remove this to division. Okay, I'll be change this operator to division. Why this error will come? Because we have no permission to add or we have no permission to store floating or double data types, double values into the integer data type. Whenever we are dividing the two numbers, there is a possibility to get some pointed or floating point values, isn't it? In Dart, we use double data type to store floating point values. So I'll be just changing this to double. Yeah, perfect. So we just go through instead of the void main function, I'll be defining object inside of the void main function. So how can define object inside of the void main function? So first, yeah, what are the actual class name we have given in our class? That's the class name will be used by defining an object. Okay, so first I like to take this mathematics class name and I'll be just give an object name as just give mathematics again. Okay, I'll be use this object name as mathematics and I'll be given new space again give mathematics brackets put a semicolon. Yeah, perfect. This will how the object definition will work. Okay. Then I will be defining what was the actual values we have to be stored, like integer of two values. Then I will be writing and in the data type n1 is equal to just I give 10 and I'll be again give int n2 is equal to just give 5. Put a semicolon. Yeah, perfect. Then how will it actually perform? How will actually perform? So firstly, I like to add, okay, add two numbers. Instead of this class, by using a function, I like to defining these are the two values by using the addition function. So how can we implement that thing? By using int data type and I'll be given a variable name as add result is equal to add result. What was the actual object name will be given instead of the object that I will be just write it here. then give a dot at there. Then the next thing is which function of operation you like to perform, like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So initially I like to perform an addition, so I just give an addition at there. Okay, and open the brackets. The above variable names are, we just store some values 10 and 5, and that are the variable names we have to define at there. So I'll be just define n1 comma n2 at here, put a semicolon. After this we have to print our this add result by using print function, and I'll be just give add result at here, put a semicolon. Yeah, that's it. This is it. I just run my code. The addition operation will be work or not, we just checking. And I'll be run, clear the console. In command line we have to run our code by using dart space what was the actual file name we have given, that the file name we have to give, hit enter. Yeah, perfect. 10 plus 5 15, it will work perfect. I hope I'm clear. Then we have to add subtraction, multiplication, division operations. So just I copy this, paste, and just remove this variable name to sub result. Just copy paste it here, and I'll be change the function name as subtraction, isn't it? So again I'll be copy this, paste it here, just give the variable name as division result. Why this error will come? The error will come because we use at here an int data type that we have to change to double. In previously I already told about it. Okay, so we have to change this double at here. Then one more is multiplication. Okay, just copy paste at here. I will be given multiplication. I'll be copy paste it here. Just change the function name at here. Why this error will come? We have to change to int data type. Yeah, correct. Okay, that's it. This is it. I hope I'm clear. Okay, just running my code here. The output will be shown perfectly. Okay, I hope you understand it well. If you have any queries or doubts about classes and objects in the previous lecture videos, please feel free to ask to me or comment box. You have to write our comment sections. Use comment chat box. Okay, see you on next video. Keep coding. Take care and bye.